good morning. Good morning, good morning. Well, you see where we're at. You see where we're at. The platform is down, ladies and gentlemen. We are down. We are down for the count. Let me see what I can do here, though. While Top Step and Project X gets its act together. Let me see if I can still log into some type of chart so that we can do what we're meant to do here. So stand by, guys. Stand by. I'm working on the fix. Working on the fix myself. Working on the fix. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back on Trading View. It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a while, my old love. Trading View, Trading View, Trading View. So, if you don't give me just 1 second, guys, so I can get all the colors and stuff together. Oh man, this looks so archaic these days. Looks so old. Looks so old, looks so old, looks so old. All right, guys. Let me see if I remember how to do this. Nope, I only have my old stuff here. So what I'm gonna do is let me see if I can at least I can't even get the settings from there. Okay. All right, guys. Looks like we're gonna have to look at the ugly chart for a minute. And if we can trade this morning, then we'll try and get some trades in the afternoon. Try and make it up to you guys and stuff like that. All right, let's see first. Let's see. First of all, first order of business, let's pop out the chart here. Let me pop out the chat so I can properly see what everybody's saying. And let me get this together, guys, because this is actually kind of hard for me to see. I can't even think like this right now. So all right, guys, I'm gonna do this right here because I can't even think right now. D1 cap 7. There we go. Golly, I didn't even think about the text. Who changed this? Alright. Well, I think everything else should be pretty self-explanatory after that. I gotta have my colors, guys. I gotta have my colors. Like, I can't even think without them. Alerts, trading, status symbol. I gotta have my colors. It's just not. It's a non-negotiable. I gotta have it. It's a non-negotiable, guys. It's a non-negotiable. Oh, whoops. My bad. We're just gonna make the wicks the same exact color. That's a little too opaque. Bow. You may find this boring, but I don't care. I can't think like this. All right. Save as. Let's call this the Stoic template. Bow. We're just melting as I play around with the my whatchamacallit. Man, what? Okay. Let's do this. Yeah, let's get rid of all this because these are not even my charts. Okay, now why is this side blue and this side not? Lord help me. Yeah, I know, guys. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Remember, I had this as some type of orange of some sorts. All right, that's what I have to do for right now. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Be funny if this starts to work as soon as. Nope. Not quite. Not there yet. Okay, guys. Let's see what we can. Let's see what we're looking at, I guess. Day 22. We are indeed here, Smooth. And I can't participate in none of this because the platform is frozen. Can paper trade, though. We can definitely paper trade. What in the world is this? Gold long? Oh, you know what? I'm not even going to worry about that. There we go. And what? I'm not gonna worry about that either. Okay, all right, all right. I will say this does feel a little bit different. This does feel a little bit different. Feels a little weird. Trying to figure out why it's like this little blue indent right here. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Okay, let me refresh, I guess. Let's refresh. There we go. No, it's still got this weird blue indent right here. Oh boy. All right, guys. We're the same platform with a different prop firm. Works fine with me. Which one? Which one, Smooth? Because I checked. I looked. Some people are having issues with the only other I one. No, only one I know is project top one futures. And yeah, I haven't logged into it, but I saw that other people having problems with it as well. And I guess let's give it a shot. I guess the futures desk. Damn it. Hold on. Oh. All right, so it's working on here. I kind of didn't want to trade this account. I did terribly on this account, so I'm this close to blowing it. So I wanted to just chill out on this account. But if it's the only one that's working, and Top Step can't get his act together, then we'll focus on this one. We'll focus on this one. We'll focus on this one. Damn, Top Step. Sorry. Sorry, guy, but I gotta roll with whatchamacallit. Gotta roll with top one for today. All right, guys. So as you can see, I did terribly on this account. Unfortunately, this account is being close to being busted. But let's see if we can try and save it, I suppose. Yeah, not proud of it. That's why I went back to Top Step. I actually wanted to slow down and trade combines, but yeah. What's even weirder, Smooth, is that on Top Step TV, their platform works fine, but no one else can use it. That's crazy. That's absolutely nuts. So. But hey, let's see if we can capture some alpha here. Let's see if we can capture some alpha. All right, so as you can see, we're just going down. I don't even think it's a point of looking at my 15-minute range. Yeah, we're way below it. There's no point. This is my opening range, and we are just cascading down. I wonder if they got hacked by TraderVate over their beef. You know what? Maybe, Smooth, because it is a little weird how Top Step is the only one that's not working, but my top one futures account is working. That'd be some petty shit, wouldn't it, though? That would be super petty. Yeah, guys. I kind of don't want to trade right now. I kind of had my hopes and dreams set on trading combines. Yeah, it's really weird, Smooth. It's also like when a major company like that sends out a blast email to every one of their users saying, "Hey, don't use TopStep. Use these other prop firms that uses TraderVate." That's crazy. That is absolutely insane. All right, so for right now, the only move you had was to close your eyes in short. I'm not really seeing anything right now. But I'm also kind of just bobbing and weaving through whatchamacallit. Trade Dove. Top Step. Damn, Top Step. What can you do? Oh my god, the page won't even load. Mm. We might make this a short one here, guys. Might want to make this a short one today. I might have the Top Step TV stream playing in the background just to see if we can figure out what's going on. But the fact that they just made this their sole platform and they're having issues like this with it, and this monstrous dump down, I feel so sorry for some people, because I know some people's strategy told them to short this. Not mine, but that is so horrendously sad. And I don't have an entry here. I need structure. I need pullbacks and stuff like that. So we are here and we are waiting, guys. We're here and we're waiting. Let me see what we got for Top Step TV. Need to find a way to just stream the actual browser so I can figure out what's happening. I feel so sorry for them. If I have a Tradevate brokerage, I can set my own limits, but I can't with props. Wonder why? I have no idea. What do you mean set your own limits? I don't know what that means. As in limit orders? Congratulations, whoever took that short. Yeah, it looks like we're just hanging out. Set my own daily drawdown, contract limits, etc. Like we can on Project X. Oh, so Project X isn't really nothing special. You just can't. Tradevate just doesn't allow you to do it with their prop firm when you're trading with prop firms. That is weird. That is weird. If I was a CEO or somebody in charge at Tradevate, I would get on that immediately. That is when they don't let you use that capability when you use Tradeway with prop accounts. Yeah, it's really weird, right? So what initially drew me to Tradeway was the fact that you can execute on right on Trading View. The problem is that for whatever reason, when you're trading prop firms with Tradevate, let's say I wanted to market order right now, right? Let's say I wanted to sell. And I drag my stop loss and I drag my trade profit. A big thing for me is seeing these numbers and seeing what exactly I'm risking and what I have to gain. For whatever reason, you can't do that on Tradevate prop firms or Tradevate in general. Now, this may not be a big deal for some people, but it is for me. This would just say one limit and just not say the number, and it's really weird to me how they can get away with, I don't know, something like that. This is a big part of my strategy, just knowing how much I'm risking. So just so I'll know, so I can just let it go. But let's say I put in one mini and I didn't want to risk $560. I wouldn't know because it wouldn't tell me. It would say how much I'm down, but it won't tell me how much the stop loss is and the take profit is. And that's the main reason that pretty much draw me to Project X. So, yeah. get it together, whatchamacallit. Get it together. Anyway, I got nothing. I got nothing besides short. And I can't do that, obviously. Let's go ahead and close this. Still nothing. Looks like it. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can squeeze something in. Yeah, that's a big deal. I need to know when I'm risking, when I'm gaining. I use the number figure because I don't use the numbers because that messes with my head, but I use points of Project X. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. As long as I need to see what I'm risking initially. And if I want to like change it, but like, all right, I know what I'm risking. Let me just change it to points or ticks. I use points personally if I want to do that. But just entering a position, just dragging your stop and not knowing how much that is really messes with me. I'll be looking for longs on lower time frame to scalp back up towards 1 minute 200 SMA. Good point. You see your point? That is a big schmove down. Yeah, but for the meantime, guys, we are really chilling. You may see me bust this account today because I am really sad at my performance. I'm gonna try and save it, but we move on to bigger and better things out here. We look at the 5 minute. The 5 minutes should give me a good idea of no engulfings. About to get a cross right here. It's gonna be kind of hard. This is gonna be hard. It's gonna be hard. Hey, what if we got the craziest V-shaped recovery ever? Is that something you have to enable? I don't know. I don't think I could do it either. I don't think I can do it either. You can post it in Discord though if you want me to see something. But I don't think YouTube is weird. YouTube chat is just weird. I hear it's kind of under par, one would say. All right, 1, 2, 3. I have no fib level. I have no like this is the first thing that's coming to my eye, but that just man, that just don't look right. I would do something more like that. Let's see if we can get one more push down. Other than that, I'm gonna stay short for the time being. See if we want to get one more push down. But this is a very solid area for bulls to come in. We're getting a cross on the 5 minute here too, which makes me think we want to push up a little bit higher. We swept all this nonsense down here. Found some bulls at this level. This would be the craziest V-shaped recovery ever if the 5 minute just decides to do this. So I'm gonna stick to my short bias. Not right now though. I don't like that. Nah, I need sweeps price, and if it doesn't give it to me, then oh well. This music is a little loud in my ear. Anyway, this might be a no trade day. Might be a no trade day. Or you could see something like that. Yeah, price is kind of all over the place right now. All right. Somebody's probably playing this little inverse fair value gap, to which I can kind of see why. We are a little overextended here. We are a little on the overextended side. Shoop-a-da wop-a-da wop-a-da whoop. This is what I'm looking for a short setup. I got you. Yeah, I'm looking for a little bit lower, but yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, the only problem is like if it gets all the way up there, I kind of would just leave it alone. But yeah, your trade is your trade. I'm saying this is valid. Oh God, hold up. Hit this 12. 1, 2, 3. Or we could just long this sucker right now. That's always a thing. Still no. Oh, wait, hold up. We may have something here, guys. We may be back with the top steps. Let me try and change the the thing. Nope, it froze on me. I gotta be able to change time frames, guys. I gotta be able to change time frames. Come on now. We try and refresh. Okay, all right. Well, I can't change time frames. I can't change time frames. Ugh. That's not good. Oh, wait, that was it. Oh, top step. Yeah, it's still unstable. Oh, I thought we had it too. I thought we had it. Okay, well, back to this. I don't like shorting in between two SMAs. That's why I prefer this short to be higher. Yeah, I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. When the 20 starts to support price, even though it's like going higher, that can also be a death sentence too. Because I do notice that hey, when the 20 starts to curve up like this, that's also like this little bit of support. So I feel you. I feel you. At this point, I would have to wait for like a closure below. Like, see how exactly what's doing in the 30-second. Like this could just hold price up even higher. So we'll see. Move me with TFD. Oh yeah, yeah. This is weird. It's a weird day. It's a weird day. Let me see. Let me go back to it. Nope. Top step. Come on. See, I don't trust you now. So I don't trust it. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. I really don't trust it. Let me start drawing, I guess. One. Oh, oops. Two. Three. I had no idea where I drew my fib. Any of this is fair game, honestly. One, two, three. Let's give that a shot. And let's see how Price wants to react. I'm giving this plenty of time because I'm playing with a little bit of size here too today. Playing with a little bit of size, but I do want this to punch up a little bit higher than this. And see if we want to start to punch down. So as soon as I see something like this, I'll probably try and entertain that. It's scaring me because I can't change my time frame though. Yeah, 5 minutes about to cross back down. Yeah, the higher play may be a little bit better. And higher play may be a little bit better, but definitely no trade yet. No trade yet. No trade yet. I had a beautiful short on one of my other busted combines too. So if I wanted to, this is not the actual thing. This is a basically a practice account, guys. But I wanted to see how much. Oh yeah, Jesus Christ. Yeah, we're playing with some size here today, ladies and gents. Playing with a little bit of size today. Yeah, so guys, if you don't know, on combines, I'm a little bit more aggressive. I don't believe in staying in combines for all that long. Like the shorter the better, but a week max. I don't feel like staying in a combine for all that long. Got stuff to do, bills to pay. Price is starting to slow down. You know what's sad? I didn't even check to see if we had news today, so let me see that. With all of the fun stuff today, I didn't even check to see if we had news. Besides the usual unemployment claims, we had nothing. Cool. All right, back to it. All right, 1, 2, 3. I mean, you could see something like this, but I need some action to the downside, basically. I do like how the 5-minute is saying still stay bearish though. I wanted a stronger push than that. I wanted a little bit higher, guys. I wanted a little bit higher than that. 30-second is probably looking pretty decent. We start closing below here, we start expanding back down to the downside. It's tricky. It's very tricky. It's very tricky. It's very tricky. I also don't know where to like place my fib. I kind of like where it's at right here, but I can definitely see something like this to where I should be entering right now.
The markets are open.
Okay. A little glitch right there. I like how bears came back in. And we're starting to get that closure below this 20 that I was looking for. And yeah. Yep. Let's see if it picks us back up though, guys. Still a possibility. But that looks beautiful to go back down though. Yeah, we can see a little bit of indecision right here. That's for sure. We can see some indecision. All right, I'm able to move freely between time frames. That's good. A little fair value gap right here that you could be playing. I don't know. The risk is it's a little much here. I should have just took it while it was up here. See if it picks us back up. I would doubt it though. I would doubt it at this point. So we'll just stay patient. Yeah, it doesn't look like it needs to go any lower, does it? Doesn't look like it needs to go any lower. Getting some support from the 20 here. In the opposite direction that I want it to go. Yeah, guys, I'll be honest with you. I don't know what I'm waiting for. Don't exactly know what I'm waiting for right now. Because it could just dip from right here from this fair value gap. It could do that. But I also want to stay patient and wait for a snipe entry. But if I was up here, that would have been an excellent place to just hold. Yeah, it's dumping now. Getting close below on the 20. Yeah, that may have been it. All good. All good, all good, all good, all good. Because the original plan was to wait for this right here. So I'm going to keep my parameters right there. If it decides to dump from here, to which it really can. Well, that's there'll be another bust. So. Brando, measure to move down, measure to move down, measure to move down. Wait for 6 when they're not telling you what to do. This is what I'm doing. I mean, yeah, sure. Wait for 618. Well, it all depends on where you want to draw your fib. I mean, this space looks good. Then this space also looks good. You know, it all depends on what you want to do. That was very close to that 618 that I had at first. But then I also saw that you probably could have did this as well. But I think this is where I had it for a long time. So I kind of like this a little bit better. And that's your first TP. Getting that closure below the 20. Beautiful. Discrepancy on NQ is MNQ on that 1020 candle. I bet there is. I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. Yeah, I probably should have gave this a shot, but man, you were so far away. Stops would have been a little bit wider than I wanted it to be. We are cascading lower though. We are starting to melt back down. Did the 5 minute close the way I wanted it to? Yes. Ah, damn, I didn't even notice that. It did. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. Yeah, guys, probably should have gave it a whirl. Usually I'm more aggressive than this on compound. I think it's because I'm streaming. Yeah, usually I'm just like, yeah, whatever price decides to give me and it makes sense, I'll give it a shot. But price decided to do this now. The question is, does it want to make a new low here? That's the real question. That's the real question. See a no top wick on this 5 minute candle. May want to flip right back up. Yeah, this may just be a sit on hands type of day. I don't know. Like, yeah, if I didn't take that, then what else you waiting for, right? Doesn't look like it wants to make a new low here. Stuck between a rock and a hard place right now. Because I kind of want to buy. And see if price wants to rejoin the 200 right here. But I don't know. What time is it? It's already 10:30. Try my best not to break rules, but man, a risky buy sounds kind of clutch right now. It's too risky though. Bullish engulfing 5-minute SMA cross to the downside. Did we catch the bottom? Probably not. This is the first little like move down. We could make a new low right here. I don't know. Mark up the long SBS and see what it looks like. That's the problem. I don't see it. I don't see it. I mean, it'll be nickel and diming. I like it when it takes like a swing point first, right? So if I was trying to look at it, I would see. Let me see. It's really just me just wanting to be in a trade, which is extremely wrong. But this is technically a swing point, and you do have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern here. Your fib. This could be your fib level right there, and we're already rushing to. We're already kind of rushing the TP. Yeah, I'm kind of stuck right here, guys. I'm kind of stuck. 1 second. I'm long from 25 to 26 bounce origin. Yeah, good move. Good move. It makes sense. I'm glad I'm not the only one that's all along here. I'm glad I'm not the only one who saw along, because I'm like, this is technically looks like a good place to buy. Looks like a good place to buy. 1, 2, or you can go. We could have went 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. Yeah, buyers would. But this may be a bullish up to the 6 point of the entire move down. Oh yeah, nothing to hold, but yeah, just to, I guess, get the blood flowing, I guess. Wait, come on. There we go. Okay, cool. I like that hammer candle. I do like the hammer candle. Yeah, because we should be able to get like some type of support here. Yeah, couldn't make that low right there. Yeah, the problem is any sign of bulls would scare me. And I would have to boogie out like really fast. Moment of truth. What do we see? I'm scared to switch time frames because I don't want the platform to freeze on me again. I mean, yeah. Can we come back a little bit lower? Can we pop down lower so I can get in? If I had a little bit of trend line. Got a little bit of a trend line break. Nah, that's way too tight. So that's not a trend at all. Good longs, guys. Good longs. Yeah, sorry guys. There's like some type of alarm going off somewhere. I don't know where though. I don't know if you can hear that or not. That 5 minute. It's looking a little hard to fade now all of a sudden. Yeah, I'm flip-flopping. Because it doesn't really make too much sense to short right here. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on hand. I'm gonna sit on hands, guys, to wait for something a little bit more clear to my eye. I'm a little gun shy this morning for some reason. A little on the gun shy side. So this is what is this the first fib? Yeah, first fib right here. Struggling. All right, what did my original parameters look like? I can't even remember. I saw something like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 back in here. I saw 4 right here. Maybe 5 could be up here or something like that. All right, finding some bulls. Good longs, guys, good longs. That's how you play both sides in the market. Price didn't want to go back down. Guess what? That's an opportunity to do the opposite. Plus, I'm trying to future what I'm waiting for. Higher time for shorter with targets, but I don't think I'm going to trade today. Maybe in the afternoon where everything is smooth. Yeah. This is my long setup. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. This is the weirdest price action market structure I've ever seen. It's not totally terrible. It's just not giving me exactly what I would like to see. To really put my foot into something. Cup God, what's up? Maybe do a 1 second scalp stream. Nah, my blood pressure too high for that. Alrighty, Chad. Do we come up and make this 5 leg right here after coming almost to TP1? Not too bad. I'm trading combines today, just to get myself back into a groove. In the Discord, I like to run them. I've noticed, Brando. Yeah, I'm good with the 1 second. Yeah, I'm fine right there. Now the question is, what does price want to do right here besides struggle? What does price want to do here besides struggle? Ooh, does this have potential right here? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I don't know what price wants to do right now. This could just flip right back up, get bought. $20 is looking kind of low though. Maybe comes up and maybe wants to touch it. Yes, I know. Okay, let me change my headphones, guys. All right. It's kind of what I like to see. Nice buys, guys. Nice buys. All right, approaching that 618. So at this point, if we can see some bears come in, it should be fair game to start going a little bit lower. May want to struggle around here a little bit though. In fact, I might just give this a stab right now, guys. I mean, this doesn't look like the best move origin, but it is technically a move origin. Let me give it a shot.
Order filled.
Tight stop right here. See, we want to cascade down words. Or this wants to just keep on flipping up. Keep my stops extremely tight here, guys. I don't want to see any rejection right here. This fair value gap. I want to see a blast right through it. Yep, I don't want to see it flip back up. I want to see it keep on going down. I don't like that, so I'm getting out. Don't like that at all. So I'm gonna just hop out. Maybe wants to punch up a little bit higher. Yeah, I've been through the whole push back down, hit fair value, got pushed right back up. I'm fine. This gotta show me a little bit more. If not, I can always re-enter. But this move origin looks a little like weak. Doesn't look like definitive, you know. It gives me a chance to hop back in. I'll hop back in, but it's gotta show me something. It's not looking too bad. I like where the 30 is. I like where the 20 is on the 32nd. May just hop right back in. Might hop right back in. I have a feeling the shorts will be even better. Oh, I thought you longed. Oh no. Nah. I'm thinking about entering back again though. We're looking a little we're looking undecided, honestly. What I could do is more work maybe need to be assigned to you. Oh, leave me alone. Which reminds me. Okay. We'll try this one more time.
Order filled.
Worst entry. Stop at that new high right here. That's $300? Oh gosh. Which reminds me. Oh, it's reversing on me, guys. What do we do? Other here. my sent emails? Sorry guys, I gotta do a couple things here. Inbox sent. Let me see. Forward this. How do I forward things here? Alrighty guys, that's not looking too good. May hop out. Where's the forward button? Oh. Hadley. I missed an ad. Over here checking my work email. I look back, it was like, oh, I could have sworn that was gonna bust me out right there. Alright, let's see if we wanna it'll be so sexy if it did that. But I doubt it. Don't want it to get bought up here. What's my 30-second look like? Are we expanding below it? We are kind of, looks like it. I might just add. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. What are you doing, Price? What's my 5-minute look like? Oh, wishy-washy. It's undecided. Yeah, I don't like how it touched that 20 right there and got bought. Sorry, music keeps on going off. Yeah, we might not have enough juice here, guys. For it to do what I wanted to do, at least. Alright, I'm gonna save myself a little bit of pain right there and just get out. Let that punch a little bit higher. But the 20 is right there. That's what's confusing me. The 20 on the 5-minute is right there. Alright, give me one more punch higher. And then start to come down, I guess. I'll make this my 4. And this my 5. All right. Going to try this one more time. And if it doesn't work from here, then we're just wrong.
Order filled.
Get in right there. That is a lot. Maybe I should have waited. Does it actually want to touch the 20 on the 5? The reverse count was the right one, I think. Yeah, probably. Because now it's like, it doesn't want to short back down for me. I could remove some risk right here, though. It might bust me out before wanting to go back down. It's crazy because I don't need but too much. I don't need too much NQ. Well, guys, it might be one of those situations where I get clapped before going back down. Let's still try and hold here. I could take some off, but I really just want to see this cascade lower. I could take some off. Is anything helping me here? No. That's crazy. Yeah, this area is just not strong enough. Well, guys, that's what happens, I guess. Finger on the button. Ah, that's crazy. The 5 minute is it's touching the 20 on the 5. Ah, so hyper annoying. I always do this. I always hold trades that are losers for a little bit too long. Because I do think that this is a loser. But I'm still holding it for whatever reason. I'm not giving any signs that we want to go lower anymore. My last little hope is we start closing below this 20 on the 30 second. That's like the last thing I could possibly hope for. And we still don't want to do it. Come on, close lower. Yes, I ain't golfing on the 15. B, if you think this loser getting close. Yeah. And there it is. Full stop out here, right here, guys. Ah, damn it. That really sucks. And watch, it's probably going to cascade a little bit lower, maybe respect this fair value gap right here. I don't like to look at stuff like that, but it's a possibility. I just don't understand why I didn't want to go down from right here, but let's see. We could still see some short action here. This still has a lot of potential. All right, a little kiss of the 20 here. Kind of like how we're struggling. I could hop right back in. All right.
Order filled.
Trying it again. Trying it again. Trying it again. Let's go all the way down. This would be way too. Yeah, that's $1,000. Yeah, that's a little on the crazy side. See if we get some closures below the 30 second here. 5 minute is on my side. The lower time frame has yet to flip in my favor. Yeah, no, not yet. I can't add. Ah. Alrighty, are we getting those closures below the 30? A little bit. Oh, wait. Oh, down at these levels right here. First target right here, 931. Kind of like how we closed below here on the 32nd. What's my 1 minute say? Kind of like that. So I'm gonna add another one. Stops right here. And let's see if we can cascade lower to something evil like that. And let's keep stops where it was at first. The true test is going to be the closure below the 1 minute. That's like the real testarino right there. I mean, if we can just slide all the way down, that'd be even better. But I would really doubt it. And it probably could have saved me a little bit of pain by closing a little bit earlier. But all right, guys, I'm gonna try and let this one rock. Hopefully, it doesn't want to retrace from right here. But I have every reason to think that this will want to go start pushing a little bit lower. If we can close, if we can engulf right here, that would be beautiful. 10-4 says candle low could be a 2 if still bullish. Alrighty, I don't want to see it reject right here. Reducing stops a bit. But I do want to see this keep on cascading down though. Did we close on the 5 minute yet? Oh, we got another minute? Ah. We're not getting those flushes here. We're not getting a flush here for some reason, which is making me think that bulls are still interested in buying. It's making me think that. But we're getting a decent bullish engulfing right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break even right here. So this one is risk free. And if bulls just want to, that's what I didn't want to see. All right. Guys, I gotta. Oh wait. No, we ain't. Little jump right there. If we decide to jump back up, I'll take a partial. I want to hold this entire thing all the way down though. Yeah, I mean, this shouldn't really fail though. But we don't live in a perfect world. We don't live in a perfect world, do we, guys? Bullish engulfing, 5-minute pushing down. I'm gonna hold this one. I may even give it a little bit more space to breathe, I suppose. Yeah, I want to see lower. I want to see. I at least got to see 293. I mean, come on. Come on, NQ. Come on, price action. Follow the rules. Bullish engulfing. 5-minute. I mean, we retraced. We haven't really made any new lows. Come on now. That's nuts. That is absolutely insane. Come on, push on down. Follow the rules for me for once in your life, NQ. Don't find any buyers here, please. 1, 2, 3. I mean, yeah. That's the thing. We're not bullish. Like, what? Wow, guys. I don't know what to say. That's weird. That's weird. Look at this. Bullish engulfing. I mean, I'm keep on saying bullish. Bearish engulfing. And we still couldn't get it. That's... wow.
Order filled.
I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy, guys. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. There was no reason to respect this little bullish SBS here, in my opinion. 20 is all the way below here. 200 is all the way up here. 1, 2, 3. I mean, you could have done it, but I mean, Jesus. Yeah, that's crazy. Don't you go back down now. Don't you do it. Don't you do it, NQ. I swear to God. Never break even on NQ, guys. Never break even on NQ. Don't make me do it. Don't make me hop back in NQ, because I'll do it. Wow, why? All right.
Order filled.
Trying it again. Trying it again. Logic still seems sound. Stops at this high. That's 390. Yeesh. Still looking for this 930 level. Whipped out my initial entry. Alright, so now I just want to see the 1 minute push this thing all the way down at this point. I gotta see it. My 30-second is... Whoa, look at that. Look at the 30-second. That's odd. That's strange. Dude, who keeps buying this? Why are we bullish? Am I missing something? I mean, those wicks do look kind of deadly, but maybe this hourly imbalance right here. The hourly is technically bullish, but everything else is bearish. Oh, the 15-minute is bullish. And my 5-minute probably didn't close the way I wanted it to. Yeah. Just waiting for the 5-minute SMA to push this down. It doesn't want to do it. Interesting stop right here. Maybe my high time frame is against me. Maybe I'm swimming backwards here, guys. Very possible. Yeah, maybe that's all she wrote for shorts. Yeah, because this is really struggling right here. 1, 2, 3. It's just that I have no reason to at the moment. All right, which direction is it gonna blast into first? I would think shorts, but maybe I'm just wrong. Maybe I'm just wrong. I'm just wrong today. Also, I just realized that. Yeah, last stream I didn't hold on a good position. In this stream, it seems like I'm holding too long on a bad position. When will the stars align? Okay, guys. I'm gonna
Order
take the.
filled.
Come on, I'm still down $85. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's taking too long. I'm going to take some of that off just to get back to break even. I should have did that at first, but yeah, price is kind of annoying me right now. I'm not too sure what's going on. My 5 minutes says, hey, we should be definitely be punching lower, but everything else is saying we may go higher. So I'm gonna take, yeah, I took some of that off for negative 85 instead of, what was that, negative 500. Yeah, this is starting to annoy me at this point. So I don't want to play. I don't want to be bullish right here, though, guys. I don't. But I can see the SBS. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fib right here. Or if you wanted to put your fib right here, I think that would also be fine. But yeah, this price actually starting to annoy me a bit. Because technically I'm seeing both sides of the market. And the side that I think it should go to, oh, I'm sorry, the music is probably loud, my bad. The side that I think it should go to, it's struggling. And these little, but I can also kind of sort of see a riskier long play setup as well. But everything on my lower time frame says to stay bearish. 20 minutes should start to push this down on the 5 minute. We're finally getting close just below on the 1 minute. So let's see what this does. Yeah, of course. Yeah, so it was really unfortunate that my second entry, got tagged out right there. That was kind of that was a bit weird. So after this bearish engulfing right here, I was kind of expecting a bigger flush down, but price had other plans to come back up, and then it just didn't want to give me the 930s there for some reason. And it looks like we're getting rejected once again. Yeah, tough day. Tough day. Tough day, tough day, tough day, tough day. I definitely can't long here. I am completely against my SMAs. Completely against it. And now we'll probably see that flush. Yeah, that first trade was damning. I got wicked out right here. And yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. Give me 930s, please. Give me 930s. Give me 930s. Give me 930s. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Just testing the line should take 926. Possibly. Possibly. You could buy right now. You could buy right now since price is really struggling, but everything says to be bearish right now, and I don't want to fight against it. Yeah, I just don't know why we had that kerfuffleation up at these levels up here. That was kind of annoying. Not kind of annoying, that was annoying. Super annoying. Now here we go again. Not testing my level, unless it's reacting off of. Well, no, your level is still down here, so. Yeah, I'm obviously missing something today. Clearly. Clearly, I am missing something. Excuse me. I mean, yeah, like I mean, I can zoom out. The problem is that the way I'm seeing it in the immediate run isn't doing what I wanted to. Like everything else kind of does seem bullish, especially when I'm missing something. Yeah, like if I'm looking at it logically, the problem is your 15 minute is still wildly bullish right now, and everything above the 15 is kind of bullish too. So like your hourly is bullish. Well, we already knew the hourly was gonna be bullish, but it's the fact that your SMAs are all the way like up here, and your 15 minute, which is honestly a little on the low side, doesn't agree with you as well, like at all. So it's like you can, I wouldn't say it's not, it's a 50-50 condition. It's just that you can't really expect any follow through with nothing. Yeah, like what are you expecting? Like prices, your moving averages are just not really agreeing with literally everything. So don't expect like a big flush down to these levels down here. We could come right back up because of 15 minutes or so. If you want to play bullish, you could be bullish. If you want to be bearish, you could be bearish if you see it. Yeah, Mike, it's almost 11:32. Mike gotta wait for price to just, you know, smooth itself out. Mike just gotta wait for that. Mm, 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 mm. So now the 20 is kind of sort of close to the 200. I still think the right thing is to play shorts here, but I just don't have the model to get into nothing. So we'll just sit on hands and wait. Yeah, like this, it is looking kind of ugly here though, guys. Not gonna lie. What? Hmm. Yeah. I like the little pressure right there, but it's not anything for me to get involved with. play longs here? Can we play longs here? Technically. Question is this 5? Even though it doesn't make any type of sense. Back. Yeah, I like the force whip a little bit better here. To this little move origin, and now we're getting that pump back up. Even though it's trading against my SMAs, that was still like a little bullish SBS move right there. I just don't like trading against these two green and orange lines. What can I say? What can I say? Yeah, I'm gonna remain bearish here. It's making it real hard to do so though. Like really hard. I don't like counter trend trading in my older age. Yep, guys, looked like that was your move. Once again, I just didn't want to take it because the green line and the orange line. But if you took, congratulations. If you took, congratulations. Just not for me. Yeah, that was a little bit too hard for me. Especially when the 20 was supposed to just push this down, but I guess that's all we had. That's all she had, folks. Now let's see if there's still a short setup here. All right, original fib was right here. I don't like these sweeps anymore. Yeah, we didn't get any sweeps at this level. Yeah, so if it didn't do it from here, then there's probably a chance that it won't do it. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna put my original trade back into place. The problem is that we're just making these higher highs. So if we were to go, well, I don't have a swing point either. It's too hard. Let me see, guys. Give me a second. So what do we want to see? New highs. It's very high. Safe, but high. That's a very long SBS though. This is a very long SBS. I'm gonna wait for confirmation on that. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for confirmation on that. Bulls are kind of in play here. I bet my lower time frame is against me officially now. Yeah, look at the 30 second. 30 second is really pushing that thing up, and it's kind of close to the 200. So we could just expect the 1 minute to kind of just follow suit. So we'll wait. Touches the 200. Not convinced yet though. not yet convinced. Let me see what my 30-second looks like. Kind of like this to see if he wants to play back to the downside. It's a in and you out trade though, that's for sure. Are you in or out? Alright,
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
play that stops at the high right here. See if we can still get my 930s here. Why is that 300 bucks on? I need to switch back to the micros then. Okay. Could have saved myself a little bit right there. Wow. All right. Looks like it still doesn't want to go yet. That's fine. That is fine. 30-second is still messing with me a bit. How much did I lose on that one? 215 each. Wow. Yeah, it just fell right into the market's hands. Okay, guys, it looks like my my 1 minute is about to give us a crossing back to the upside. So that initial SBS that I had, it faked me out. Not gonna lie, it sure did fake me out. Yes, it did. Alright, I'm gonna give it until noon today, guys. Get an extra 20 minutes. Let me get away from this nonsense. Just not saying it correctly today. All right, looks like this may get this cross right here. I'm just sitting here and waiting. All right, let me see if I can fit in with some longs, I guess. Kind of want to see if we get a pop out of this area.
Order filled.
Let's see. See if we start to sweep some of these levels and come all the way down here. So I'm using this 3 level. See if we want to come down to the 280s here. Not the best trade though. Has a little bit of potential. That's what I get for fighting momentum. Break that, we could be off to the races. Doesn't look like it wants to break it though. Break even right there. Counter trend trade. Protect capital. I want to see it slam through here now. Don't want to see it retrace. And it's retracing. Kind of broke that little trend line on a 30-second though. But technically I got what I wanted, so. Yeah, technically I got what I was looking for. Still think we could punch a little bit lower, but I guess not. Yeah, I'm expecting follow through and not getting it. And that's bad of me. Very bad of me, very bad of me. Bearish engulfing here. Give this a little bit of room to work here in case the bearish engulfing wants to hold. Just a little bit. Give me another low. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Nice, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now don't give it back. I'm gonna start trailing in a second, because I'm still wildly against trend. Trend stops it right there. Don't want to see this 5-minute flip bullish again. And if it does, it'll just take me out. Or I could just get out right now for a break-even day. Decisions. Cool. BE day secured. Try a little bit tighter there. Not bad. Don't want to see any rejection right here though. If this candle turns bullish, then it'll just take me out right there. I never played a 3-sweep, but it seemed like a good place for a reversal. So, and we're in combines. Not exactly the best excuse there. I'm gonna extend the TP a little bit. Be a little greedy, why not? Oh wait, she may be coming back here. Maybe trailing too tight. That is a pretty good bedrock right there. Let's see if it flashes below it. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, we're getting that sweep right there. I'm gonna take it.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take that right there. I'm gonna take that right there. Did I have a little bit of room to go right there? Yeah. I could have just kept on trailing stops, but you know, it's 12 o'clock. I got exactly what I wanted out of that very, very, very risky play. Could this keep on dumping? Probably. Hey, Brando, did you take that? If you're still here. I had a feeling that this was probably something that you were looking for. But, yeah, I may just take 348 for today, guys. Come back the next day. And she's still dumping. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Sorry, the music is probably loud. Yeah, Brandon, you're probably in chat. I'll just hit you up in chat, but yeah. She's still dumping, guys. Look at that. Ain't that nothing. Ain't that nothing, guys. Still dumping here, still dumping. I don't want to play longs anymore. No reason to at this point. Finally got my shorts. Holy hell. Finally got my shorts. And she has plenty of room. I should have just kept on trailing. What can you do? All right. What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? Yeah, just a day where my SMAs was not. Man, look how this is dumping, guys. Golly. Look at that. I finally got my shorts after all. Just had to wait 3 hours for it. Just had to wait 3 hours for it. My chart executes are probably all over the place. Yeah. Let me see, 30 seconds, probably a little bit cleaner. Now does it want to push right back up? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. Wow. Zoom out so people can see why. Alrighty, guys. I'm sorry. I just realized I wasn't muted for all of that typing. Sorry about that, guys. It's 12:16. I am way past my bedtime. I'm gonna just leave it here for right now, and we'll try and I may trade in the afternoon, but this morning is done. So I'll catch you guys the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I just streamed for what 12. It feels like 12 hours, but it's yeah, holy come yeah, fatal, yeah, fatal. This was a rough day, and honestly, I technically broke rules. I almost never play the three leg for a reversal, but I'm just like at this point, if it doesn't reverse right here and start sweeping some of these levels, then I don't know. I just honestly don't know. Yeah, I wanted to add another contract, couldn't get it. It's okay, it's all good. Um, but yeah, I'll see you guys the next one. I may trade this for the PM session. I may not. But for right now, I got to get away from this computer. So see you guys in the next one.